Hey bro, you reckon you can do a bead rolled mini tub interior on my XD Falcon? Yeah bro, we can sort you out, bring it around. No dramas. Next minute. Whoa. Aye. Wow, that escalated. So this is mate's XD Falcon Ute. So he's had it parked up for a long time. Went to take it over the pits, and the floor was riveted in, which was okay back in the day. But someone somewhere along the line has decided that that is not an appropriate way to mount a floor in a ute anymore. So it has to be all fully welded in. So I was like, yeah, no dramas. We'll quickly smash that out. Now, see, it's been undercover at the back of the shed for a while. Finally pulled it out. Had a bit of time, so the old van up there. Just waiting a couple of weeks to get that roof sandblasted, so a bit of time. Thought we'd pull this out and get stuck into it, but every time I pulled something out, just discovered more rust. So you can see down on this side there's a bit of square bar there. That went the whole way through, and that was just held in with silicone and bog. And then we had same thing on this side, and then down the floors you can see some rust holes. So there's a few rust holes in that there, and just keep digging and finding more stuff. So that is, oh, I'm zoomed way in. Whoa. Right, that is what I'm up to. Not really going to do like a full build like episodes on this, so just a quick little catch up. But yeah, pretty awesome ute. He's had this thing for years. Cool as. I was a little bit bummed out with all the rust and that, but like I sort of said back in the day, like I think this was done like 16 years ago or something, and 16 years ago these were just a work hack ute basically. Because nowadays all the old cars are getting worth a bit more, so they need a bit more loving and special attention. So that's what I'm up to. See you on the next one.